Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about Weebly. Weebly is a website builder that allows you to create a website easily and quickly without needing know of any coding of or programming knowledge. It's a great option for those people who want to create a simple website such as a personal blog or an online portfolio. So one of the best things about Weebly is its drag and drop interface, which makes it easy to customize your website layout and design. You can add text, images, videos, and other content to your website. And after creating your website, creation is easy, don't takes any time, in few minutes. Then you will be here. You have to complete your setup and then you head to website to edit your website after giving it a name and the domain while registering. So the creation of a website is easy and I'm showing you how by starting from zero with you. But first I'm going to show you how to delete your account because I want to delete my account to start with you from zero, and I should have done this before starting recording, but I'm gonna put, or instead of deleting the account you can just add here a new website. Your new store is being created. So I will show you how to create a website and how to manage the settings and others. So what kind of website would you like to create? A website for an online store, or you just need a website? Let's click here for an online store. Let's start with the name of your store. And again, it will be just Madara or Madaga, one of them. And you click on continue because this you can change it later. Are you currently selling any items? Yes, no, I'm just trying out Weebly. They know I'm just trying and they have been asking me a lot of questions. What type of item will you be selling online? So let's choose carefully. Art and crafts, clothing and shoes, classes and events, foods and drinks, witness and wellness, fitness and wellness. We have health and beauty, home and living, jewelry, kids and babies. I'm not selling any babies. We have professional services, pet supplies, sports and recreation, text products, and tool and parts. Let's just choose tool and parts. We have almost done. What's your store address? Skip. Perfect. We are customizing your settings and building up a website for you. Welcome back, Madara. Site switchers. All of the websites are listed here so you can quickly navigate between them. So let's keep it going. You need to design your website now. One of the first steps. So Weebly offers a variety of templates that you can use as a starting point for your website. These templates are pre-designed with different layout and styles, so you can choose one of that fits your needs and preference. So let's wait. Now here select a theme. We have a lot, but don't forget we have choose business. We are selling something. This is an online store. For what? We choose tools, right? So how would a tool online store look like? Let's choose this one and directly start editing without viewing it. I have a great self-confidence that the thing I choose is always the best. Trust me. I choose to stay alive. Now they are creating our website. So here you can link it to a domain. So Madaras. No, I can't use apostrophe on the website creation, or I can. Nope, I can't. Madara tools. And let's search. We might be lucky and find a great one from the first. Oh, madarachools.com. Okay, this I have to pay, but this I don't have to. Sudan, 1 cup at the time. I don't think this is an online store, so yes, you have to edit it from the zero. You can delete all of this and start your gallery. You can add HD videos, pages, themes, apps. We have here the settings, the general settings, and your website settings. We have the site title, the site category, the SSL, the favicon. I don't know what is this. Site password. You can add a password to protect your website. Here you can add an editors to help you creating your website. Members to join, to register. We have the apps that you added to your website to create it. And here the blog. You can here create updates and share with the people on your page. After you're done, you click on publish and your website will be published in a second. Remind me to delete my websites. So here you can upgrade to get a VIP section, more features. Here we have the personal, the professional, the performance, and the premium. Here are the benefits. Accept PayPal payment, which the free plan doesn't allow it. We have lowest processing rate, item review, advanced reporting, no square banding or ads, password protected, and that's all for today. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.